Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to download apps from App Store with Face ID in iPhone in iOS devices. Guys, you can see I'm opening App Store, and here try to download any app you want to download in your iPhone. Simply tap on install button. You can see appears on screen. Here you can see he's asking my Apple ID password for downloading apps. You can see simply tap on cross and close this window. Open setting application and scroll down, tap on face ID and passcode, enter your mobile passcode, and guys, here you can see simply enable iTunes and App Store from here, turn on from here, and guys, I asking my Apple ID password, and simply tap on OK from here, and guys, go back and close this window and open App Store application. Here guys, try to download any application you want to download in your iPhone. You can see I want to this one. Tap on get. Here guys, simply tap on double tap. He's asking, you can see appears on screen. Simply tap on double tap and it will recognize my face. As you can see appears on screen, my face recognize, confirm, and you can see my particular application downloading starting successfully. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.